Hello everyone, today we are going to present our project on online examination portal, and our guide is Professor Pooja Vinawal and myself Swati Patil, and my teammates are Ekta Patil, Shubham Patil and Mahesh Patil. And now this is the contents of our project, and I'm going to explain about abstract. Online examination portal is web-based application for the technical evaluation. Online examination portal not only replace paperwork but also release the workload of faculty. Most of e-examination system only have a fixed number of questions without randomization, so they have pool scalability. In this system provides a less expensive as well as effective method of performing examination, and also, it text provides best facility for the student to answer the question only with a single click, and it saves time as well as money, and most important it lessens the students and teachers frustration. And now I'm going to explain by online examination. And an online exam provides flexibility and security to the examination process. Online examination is efficient use in day-to-day life because it saves time and also its most accurate system. It is necessary for every technical student to have basic knowledge of online examination system. And also all the entrance exam are held online because of its fast and accurate making scheme, and online examination is more flexible than the written exam. Due to online examination there is less chances of losing integrity of exam pattern. Once all the questions are uploaded in the system can shuffle and give questions in different order to the different student. This minimizes its chances of cheating. Now I'm going to explain literature survey. First, Patidar Vishnu and Kadam Vishal work on analysis process of design and development of online examination system. Second is Kyo Feng Zhu and Zhong Fi Li research and development of online examination system proceeding of the second international conference on computer and information application. Third is ZM Yun, L Zhang, G H Zhang, a novel web-based online examination system for computer science education in proceeding of 33rd annual Foundries in Education. Fourth is Al Mashubak Al of Al Ahmad, a student perception of an online exam within the decision support system courses at Al Albayt University conference publication pages. And now I'm going to explain modules: registration module, administrative module, and student module. Registration module. In a registration module, first we ask student to give his details. After registering with us, the student can log on to own account and can give exam and view result. Second is administrative module. Administrative module is provides for the sake of administrators to manage the site and update the content of regular intervals. The major operation included in the modules are add courses, add questions, and manage student. Add courses. Admin can add new courses and quiz time and marks. Add question in a add question. Admin can add questions and it's four options and only one correct option answer. Third is student module. This module is meant for the student where a user login into own's account with views these panels. The major operation included in this module were give exam, view result, and edit profile.
Next is software requirement. Software requirement for develop our application are: first, operating system. We use operating system to develop our web application like Windows 7 or Windows 10. And next, at front end side we use JSP, HTML, and CSS languages to design our website or web application. And backend side, we use MySQL and JDK, and we run this web application on any web browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Next one is hardware requirement. Client side requirement are any browser we can use to run our application. Minimum process requirement are Pentium 2.0 and above, and 256 MB minimum RAM required to run our project at client side. And server side, we need processor requirement are same like Pentium 2.0 and above, any processor we use. Minimum 1 GB RAM required to run our application at server side, and 4 GB HDD storage are needed to run our application. Next is advantages of online examination. Physical pressure at given location is absolutely not necessary. Result available instantly because this is an online examination, so no paperwork is required. So student can get his result instantly when he finishes exam, his or her exam. Next one is easily accessible. Student can access our application easily, and the application is user friendly also. Without authentication, no one can log in to our application. He or she needs user ID and password to log in our application to appear exam. Our second last advantages is available at a reduced cost, means our application are available in minimum cost. And last one is accuracy in checking the answer and calculating result. The application are calculate accurate answer and show results after finishing the exam. Now we discuss about disadvantages of online examination. First one is required high speed internet. Our application required minimum 0.7 Mbps to 1.5 Mbps for download, and upload side 0.3 Mbps to 1 Mbps speed are recommended. Slow in case of small bandwidth internet. Third one is chances of server crashes. If server crashes, it's hard to recover our data. So we need to back up our data in two sites. And last one is chances of hacking. Many times unauthorized user can access our web application without our permission. So we need to secure our application.
Online examination via LAN. The initialization of the e-examination is done by the admin who gives appropriate account credentials to the users. The student only has to log in to attend the exam, and after completing and submitting the results is instantly generated. Existing system. There are number of online examination system software are available today. The system of online exams has been widely adopted by a good number of organizations and universities. The task of maintaining records, scorecards, student details, question papers, and so on is very easily managed by the system. Future scope. This web application involves almost all the future features of the online examination. The future implementation will be online help for the users and chatting with website administrator. Conclusion. Online examination portal is a web application The key concept is to minimize the amount of paper and convert all forms of documentation to digital form. It reduces the need of resources like paper and pen, also reduces the time killing process of marks evaluation. It can observe that the information required can be obtained with ease and accuracy in computerized system. The three-level module will help to ensure to security of system. The user with minimum knowledge about computer can be easily able to operate the system. It also produce brief result required by the management. Thank you.